Employees need skills, not just knowledge or titles. This is the biggest problem. The biggest problem we have right now is employers are now have realized that because of artificial intelligence, we need to understand this key concept that we don't need titles like BSc, BS, BBA, MBA, or this and that and whatnot. No, we need skills. So the skill-based economy is going to go up, right? That's another thing. The employers have realized that, and that is why things are changing very, very fast. You know, at our institute at Nafi, when we founded that in 2018, it's a long way now, and we are about to become a university ourselves. But we are true to our core principle, teaching them the job description from day one. So we are teaching them the job description from day one, right? So what is happening is that if like you can't negate the academic side. I mean, academic side is always there, but people, they need to have the skills so that when they go out in the in the job market, they're able to secure the job market. And that is why we created this whole system. And now we are so proud of ourselves, alhamdulillah, so pleased, with the blessings of Allah, that we are saying that anyone who does this, who completes this, if they're not able to find the job as per the terms and conditions, you have to follow all of those things, pass the educol exam, do this, do all the labs of Al-Razak. We are going to place you. And if you're not going to place you, and you're not able to find the job, we give you your money back. No one does that.